conseguimos. Y... Uy, me he caído. Ay, ¿qué hay abajo? Bueno, era una trampa. Para todo. Dios. Es la trampa para él. Uy, qué tonto, me he caído. Provocando a los zombies, como un palo. Un palo. Cógelo.
I found a firefighter's axe.
Un hacha. Toma ya y le arranca la cabeza a los zombies.
Thanks, buddy. No time to waste.
Tío, no lo mato. Ponía aquí círculo presionado, creo. Ah, muerto. Ya aprendí a matarlo. Vámonos a tomar. Haciendo parkour. Parkour. Venga, voy a estar muy dentro. Y hay uno que está comiendo. ¿Has visto? Luego ahí me he equivocado.
Damn storm.
La puerta por el abierto.
No, I must be tired. My mind is wandering.
Espera, que te llego por aquí. Más notas. Yeah. ¡Esto se esparta! ¡Oh no! ¡Dios, que me mato! Uy. Joder, casi me mato. Por ir corriendo ahí. Bueno, habría que ir corriendo, si no, como cosas. Creo que $100. Ya puedo comprar cosas. Ole, vaya salto fail.
Run, run.
Corre.
Shit, there's too many of them.
Coño. Hasta luego. Que me voy a Ikea. Parto por la mitad.
Stupid shadows. I can hear something.
Flashback.
I don't understand, man. If he's already dead, why do we need to hang him?
Power must be made visible. They should know that we're keeping watch on him.
Who? Those things?
No, I mean the survivors. Besides, what the hell do you care? Orders are orders. Come on, let's go get the next one.
God! Waste of time.
Hey, buddy. What lasts longer? Bricklayer's house or carpenter's house? I bet you $100 you can't solve it.
Carpenters?
Listen, when someone asks you something like that, you just answer, the toughest house is the grave diggers. All gravestones last forever. Till fucking doomsday.
You asshole.
DeadLight. Donde vimos el vídeo que se comieron antiguo.
What do they mean, keeping an eye on the survivors? Orders from who? The new law. They mark their kills. That's some kind of message. As if this world isn't already dark enough. Seattle isn't a safe place. Everyone I care about is in danger.
Come on! Here!
Creo que era corriendo y coño. Vale, bien, problema. Seguramente habrá algo. Vale.
Come on!
Hasta luego, Lucas.
The new news was right. Something big happened in the city. People went to war against the shadows, military and common man alike. It didn't end well.
Yep. Oh, sini aja, Pak. Yang dulu. Kita minta sama Ru. Oleh. De rebote. Uy. Oh, le estoy colgado. Sí. Eso.
Music box. Shannon gave Lydia one just like this for her birthday. A slaughtered family, and another graffiti signed by the new law. This is what happens to those who steal from death.
Bueno, y vaya, página perdida en el diario. Vamos. Oh. Ah, que tengo toda la vida. Anda ahí ya. Es una pistola.
The days of wasting bullets have passed.
In case Sean, we shot at anything and everything. Well, the days of wasting bullets are gone, Randy. I'm not sure you ought to do it.
Ben Parker, since when did you ever have a problem with excess? I need to learn how to shoot this thing. I'm sure I'll need it.
This ain't like the rifle you carried in the mountains. First, you need to load it. The key resides in being quick. Like those guys in the casinos with cards. Quick fingers, soft hands. Practice makes perfect.
What do you think of that, Ben?
Well done, comrade. Now you have to show me your aim. Try to shoot that can over there.
That'll be easy.
Toma ya.
Kid, I like your style. But let's think of something harder now. Hey, you see that crow? Plunk it before it flies off.
I think it's time to do something about this poor bastard. It's cruel to leave him tied up like that. Let's put him out of his misery.
Take the shot, Randy. Let's do right by the poor soul. There's no glory in killing the dead a second time. This is just what it means to survive now. Make sure you always aim for the head, Randy. Always in the head.
12 balas. Toda la pava. Ahora. Vaya paseo. Voy a hacer un poco de tarta. Con un palo eléctrico.
In pursuit of a white van in the center of Seattle. Our goal is to take down our enemy. Repeat, in pursuit of white van, Charlie 1.
That's Parker's motorhome.
Ole, vaya hostia, todo no aquí. Hasta luego, parkour.
That fire is blocking my path. The smell is horrible. If I could find a way to put it out.
Wey, miedo, coño. Unos átomos.
That water tower looks weak. I could tackle it down.
Mierda.